To print from your Samsung A27 5G, first of all, you will have to simply pick this item that you want to print. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. For example, if you want to print some pictures. So we have to pick it up. You will have to click on the three dots and now select print. Now you will have to click on the select printer and you have to click on the all printers, and now it's going to start searching for your printer. So we have to turn on the pairing mode or the Bluetooth mode on your printer. It actually depends on the model, and select from the list. But if not working, you can click to add a printer, and as you can see here, we can use two things: the default print service and specific print service from your printer. How it looks: if you select the default print service, you can add printer by IP address. You'll have to simply input the printer IP address, or you can even use the Wi-Fi direct printing if available on your printer. But let's just go back from this one, and we have to right now open the system settings, go for connections, open more connection settings, and select printing. Now, if you open that default print service, you can simply try to search for your printer. If your printer not going to show on the list, you will have to go for the download plugin, and you will be redirected to the Google Play Store. We can find 5 recommendations, but let's say that you have HP printer or a Brother printer. It means that you will have to search for the plugin. Let's say that I have a HP printer. There it is. There's like 2 different applications, but we of course we are looking for the HP, so we have to install it. Now we have to just be patient and wait a little bit, and after the installation will be finished, we have to just simply open this application and try to connect our printer. Of course, I cannot show you exactly how it looks because there's like multiple printers models, multiple brands, but this is just a base steps how it works.